Jazakallah khairan Ikrimah. Abdurrahman ikana hewani nasariga aitama balanulata waraggaina iruwajjan.
ehvima hingado mifar nasari iga kudin ushalade over in the meadow meitama balalan.
Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother toady and her little toady one. Wink, said the mother, I wink, said the one. So they winked and they blinked in the sand, in the sun. Over in the meadow where the sky gleams blue, lived a woolly mother sheep and her little lambies too. Ba, said the mother, wee ba, said the two. So they baa and they ran where the sky gleams blue. Over in the meadow in a hole in a tree, lived a smooth mother robin and her little robin's tree. Sing, said the mother, we sing, said the three. So they sang and they chirped in a hole in a tree. Over in the meadow, in the reeds on the shore, lived a spiky mother muskrat and her little muskrats four. Dive, said the mother, we dive, said the four. So they dived and they burrowed in the reeds on the shore. Over in the meadow, in the reeds on the shore, lived a spiky mother muskrat and her little muskrats four. Dive, said the mother, we dive, said the four. So they dived and they burrowed in the reeds on the shore. Over in the meadow, in a snug beehive, lived a fuzzy mother bee and her little bees five. Buzz, said the mother, we buzz, said the five. So they buzzed and they hummed in the snug beehive. Over in the meadow, in a nest built of sticks, lived a shiny mother crow and her little crow six. Caw, said the mother, we caw, said the six. So they cawed and they cawed in the nest built of sticks. Over in the meadow where the grass is so even, lived a furry mother mouse and her little mousey seven. Squeak, said the mother, we squeak, said the seven. So they squeaked and they sniffed in the grass soft and even. Over in the meadow by the old mossy gate, lived a scaly mother lizard and her little lizards eight. Box, said the mother, we box, said the eight. So they boxed in the sun on the old mossy gate. Over in the meadow where the stream water shines, lived a slippery mother fish and her little fishes nine. Swim, said the mother, we swim, said the nine. So they swam and they leapt where the stream water shines. Over in the meadow in a sly little den, lived a hairy mother spider and her little spider's ten. Spin, said the mother, we spin, said the ten. So they spun lacy webs in the sly little den. So they spun lacy webs in the sly little den. So they spun lacy webs in the sly little den.